Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the theme in Google Slides step by step. First, open your Google Slides presentation. After opening your presentation, go to the top menu bar and click on Slide. Now from the menu, select Change Theme. A theme panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here, you will see different ready-made themes that you can use for your presentation. Simply click on any theme you like, and it will be applied automatically to your slides. You can also use the Import Theme option if you want to add a theme from another presentation. Click on Import Theme, choose a presentation, and select the theme you want to use. After choosing your theme, you can customize your slides further by changing the background, fonts, and colors according to your needs. Once you're happy with the changes, Google Slides automatically saves your work, and that's it. You have successfully changed the theme of your Google Slides presentation. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.